Hi babes, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. Today I am doing kind of like an all nude with a hint of shimmer. Really pretty, perfect for easing into summer. I use a few new products today, plus some ones that I absolutely love. And overall, this look is really, really easy, you guys. So if you want to see how to do this look, keep watching. All right, let's get started. So in my last vlog, you guys, I used a bunch of products and my face looked so good after my makeup was done and it lasted all day. So I'm going to be using those products again in case you guys missed that video, starting with the Too Faced Plump and Prime Primer Serum. So I used quite a bit of this. I applied about like 2 to 3 pumps and I put it on all over and I really just worked this into my skin. It has like a really nice texture to it. I think it has fragrance, but it's very light. Fragrance doesn't bother me, so I never notice it. I put it on and I kind of let it sit into the skin. And then I went back and put on some more. And I feel like that made a big difference. 2 pumps, work it in. Just really work it into your skin. It makes your skin feel really plump, hydrated, smooth. So for foundation, I'm using the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear, and I got this sent to me from a brand. It's just basically like one of these little plate things. So instead of putting foundation on the back of your hand, you put it on here, which is amazing because I don't know if this happens to you guys, but it always happens to me. I always have so much makeup on my hands. Even if you wash your hands, it doesn't always come off. And then I just get it all over my clothes. So this, hopefully, will help a lot. So just a couple of pumps of that. And then I'm gonna get my beauty blender soaking wet. I always have a little water bottle, so I don't have to get up and go to the bathroom and do this. The shade that I'm using in this foundation is Sahel. I feel like this is the perfect shade for me right now. If I got any darker, if I got any tan whatsoever, it'll be too light. But for right now, it's the right color. And then for concealer, I used the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Concealer, and this was amazing. I didn't set it with powder last time because I just felt like it was so hydrating and I really didn't want to put powder and make it crease. So I didn't set it with powder and I wore it all day and it looked beautiful. At the end of the day, it didn't crease. It still looked really nice and hydrated under the eye. So I definitely recommend this concealer. It's a little bit of a splurge, you guys, because it is a bit pricey, but it's worth it for sure. And the shade that I'm wearing is 5.75. I can probably go a shade or two lighter, but it's the only one I have right now. And then to set everything, I'm using the One Size Translucent Loose Setting Powder. And I didn't really use a lot of this last time, but I also noticed that my forehead got a little bit shiny throughout the day, just in that area, because I didn't use a lot in that area. So this time I'm gonna use just a little bit more, just to make sure we stay matte in all the right areas throughout the day. Brows are done. I know they look a little crazy right now, you guys, but they will calm down by the time my makeup is done. So I am playing with this palette today from Huda Beauty. It's so pretty. It is the Chocolate Brown palette. Look at all these fun brown tones. So I love how peachy these colors are. So this is a super easy eye look. I'm just gonna dip my brush into a bunch of the nudes, the mattes, just play around, see kind of what I get. I'm not putting any thought in this at all. I really just want the overall eye look to be pretty subtle. I'm just gonna do a very slight baby wing, and that'll pretty much be the eye look. So there's a couple of shimmery tones. I really love this one. Again, it's kind of peachy. So just with my finger, just a little bit. It's hard when you have longer nails. It's hard to get in those corners. You can always use a brush as well. I'm gonna contour a bit with the darker shades. Again, I'm just like dipping my brush into both, not being too precise. These shadows are very pigmented though, just to warn you. Like, look how crazy that got. But no worries, we'll just blend it out. Since they are super pigmented, a little bit goes a long way, you guys. So don't put too much product on your brush at once. Okay, whatever's left on my brush, I'm just gonna sweep that along the lower lash line, just to give a little bit of shape to the eyes. Pretty. So like I said, I'm gonna do a little baby liner, and I'm gonna be using the Too Faced Killer Liner, and this shade is Killer Chocolate. I'm just gonna keep this at the base of my lashes, and if you need to, you could apply with the pencil and then just always wing it out with a brush. I'm just taking my brush and just kind of flicking that outer corner, but it's super subtle. Okay, let's do lashes. So while the glue on my lashes is drying, I'm gonna put mascara on. And the one that I've been really loving recently is the Hourglass Unlocked Mascara. I like it because it doesn't like leak. So even if you put it on your lower lashes, which I'm gonna do, I'm gonna apply quite a bit on my lower lashes. It never smudges. These lashes are really natural looking, you guys. I kind of love them. I'm using the MAC Refined Golden Bronzer. Look how pretty this is, you guys. Look at all that beautiful shimmer. And when it comes to bronzer, I love using a very big powder brush like this, something that's like really fluffy. I feel like it applies the bronzer in a really natural way. For blush, I have this new blush from Persona Cosmetics. I haven't opened it, but just from the color on the back, I feel like I'm gonna love it. It's called Terracotta. This is so pretty. Okay, let's throw this on. Okay, last step, you guys, is lips. And I have two products that are new. I have these lip liners from Cosmetics, and I have these gorgeous lip shades from Makeup by Mario. I was so excited when this collection came out. This line is so beautiful. Let's figure out what shades I want to use. Okay, so I decided to go with the shade Mink from the Cosmetics Soft Blur Velvet Lip Liner, and I love this for a nude lip. So pretty. And then I went over that with the Makeup by Mario Pro Volume Lip Gloss in the shade Golden Nude, which is literally the prettiest shade ever. And it's exactly like the name. It's a very pretty golden nude. That is the final look. I am all ready to go. I love how this kind of ended up blending in with my outfit. It's like nude on nude with hints of gold. Be sure to check out my vlog. If you didn't, add me on Instagram at Eman and on TikTok at Eman Makeup. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.